Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here in Deep River, Connecticut with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to practice at a time of day before or after many people are around and about, up and doing their things. So I've been practicing here since around dawn, very quiet, a couple muttering quiet fishermen, a couple of people walking dogs, a couple of people sitting to have a very quiet conversation or take photos. Um, Perhaps you already do that and you haven't considered doing it later at night, stepping outside into your yard, be safe, of course, but practice in that sort of quiet where the world's a little bit more quiet as regards sort of human activity. Um, and It's really kind of different mental tone than you might have in the middle of the day, especially if your practice is interstitial. It's a break from work, for example. So you have sort of some hubbub of physical activity and thinking, and then it's a break, which is nice, plenty nice to have a break. Um, but practicing kind of in the where the world feels quiet and settled before or after, the day is a really nice shift, a really nice change. It might not be your permanent change because you have your regular life and your duties and your children and your job, but on occasion, offer yourself that opportunity to experience that world, and maybe you can kind of take some of that with you internally in your practice in your life. So thank you very much and love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.